Help! We've had a call into Curiosity Box HQ. Sanani is a 9-year-old from Nepal and they've had a terrible earthquake. Their village has been isolated and the bridges have been destroyed. Can you help? Sanani has put out a call to the children of the world to help prototype a new super strong bridge that can help renew the supply chain into their village because they have no food and they have no building materials getting into the village because the bridge that's broken is leaving a huge river in between the village and the rest of Nepal. So we need your help to test out super strong bridges. In your Curiosity Box pack, you have everything you need to make a bridge made out of straws. Now, if you think about it, what kind of building materials do they have in Nepal? They have lots of long, round, strong bamboo, just like your straws. So what structure can you make your bridge out of to make it as strong as possible? That's going to really help Sanani to understand what he needs to do to be able to build a super strong bridge and help get supplies back into his village after the devastation of this earthquake. Good luck, Curiosity Cadets, and have fun.